What is up, guys? I figured I'd do this video. So, I mean, none of you are really like pining for my videos per se, but I'd keep the algorithm happy. I just figured I'd post something, just an update. And I'm here in, as you might have guessed it, cloudy day, California, man. Yeah, man, I'm out here in California, you know, the land of the weed. Oh, it's great, man. It's fantastic. Love it, man. You ought to come down here, man. You guys should visit San Diego. It's great, man. Anyway, I figured I'd do an update. Got a lot of surprises coming, which is cool, and some of the surprises are actually already posted on Instagram. Check that out, CraigerCoClassic, FORDF100WORLD. And got some other stuff coming too. It's gonna be like 2 weeks before I'd probably post any of the stuff. Get some videos together and stuff. I have 2 weeks left of my vacation, so from there, I think I'll put stuff on FORDF100WORLD and all that jazz. But I came from Texoma, so that's a video to look forward to in the future. I was in California, did some cool stuff here with the Craig 909. So, and then from there, I met a few people, like I said, that you guys will see on Instagram right now, or you guys can wait for the videos. And next is Grand Nationals in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And yeah, so there's some stuff to look forward to. I just figured I'd give an update, guys. I'm gonna get back, well, waiting for my girlfriend, but I'm gonna get back to my vacation. Later.